Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set 3D spatial wallpaper on lock screen on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just open settings, then go to apps. Now from here, just tap on photos. Now at the bottom of this page, you will find the option of control for creating spatial photos. Now just enable this toggle. Now once you enable this option, just go to your home screen and open the Gallery app. Now the images in your Gallery app which supports spatial photos will show this icon. Just like that. And the photos that do not support spatial wallpaper mode, they do not show this icon. Just like that. Now to set a 3D spatial wallpaper on your lock screen, first of all, just select an image in your Gallery app which shows this icon. Now once you select that image, just tap on the share button. Now from here, just select use as wallpaper. And from here, just enable the spatial wallpaper icon. And once you do that, you will enable spatial wallpaper on your lock screen. Now once you enable the spatial wallpaper option, after that, just tap on add. Now just select set as wallpaper pair. Now if you go to your lock screen, now as you can see, we have successfully set a 3D spatial wallpaper on our lock screen. And this is how you can set 3D spatial wallpaper on lock screen on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.